Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just open keypad on your device and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also your serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, go to the system section, about phone, go to the status, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.